Sweets, I like what I've heard about you, especially the name, Harley Quinn. It's a name that...
Hey puddings! Today the video is the makeup and the hair tutorial for my classic Harley Quinn cosplay. I'm gonna be doing that in two different ways because I'm inspired in the version of the cosplay, either the other one too. I love so much the classic Harley Quinn, so I'm so happy to try it, guys. So come on board to play with me, squad. For the hair, no secrets, the usual Harley Quinn pigtails. By the side where my hair is pink, the black lace. And by the other side where my hair is blue, the red one. As always, before the makeup, it's very important to apply the moisturizing and the primer for the makeup not melt, vanish or fade. I am mixing my foundation with a white pancake to have the exact tone we need. Don't forget to set it with a powder or a talc. Now let's do in our eyebrows. As always, I'm using my eyebrow pen and an non-color mascara. I'm inspired at Suicide Squad makeup, but all in black, so apply a black eyeshadow in all over your highlight and close to the bottom lashes too. With a black liquid eyeliner, draw a thin line closing to the lashes and with a black eye pencil inside your eyes. Apply mascara on top and bottom lashes. That's so funny, puddings! I'm with my black eyeliner again to draw the Mr. J style of smile, but a little bit small. And my black eye pencil to line my lips and a black lipstick too. Did I hurt me? I'm kidding! That's all, puddings! What do you think about my classic Harley Quinn makeup? Tell me here below in the comments, okay, squad? Soon here on my channel there will be the part 2 where I show you all my outfit. So don't forget to subscribe here at the channel and like the videos to be part of my Puddins squad. Kiss ya, puddings!